Let's start with the right hand. We're going to start by finding an A. To find the A, look for 3 black notes in a row, and the A is the white note in between those 3 black notes and most to the right. The A that we want is the 4th one down from the top of the piano keyboard. And we're going to play that A with finger 1 or our thumb. From there, from the A, we're going to play an F with finger 5, an E with finger 4, and a D with finger 3. So we have A, F, E, D. Finger 1, 5, 4, 3. And we're going to do that 3 times. Now I also want to point out 2 things. 1, this is played softly. 2, that after we play that D, there is a rest before going back into the A. So it's A, F, E, D, rest. A, F, E, D, rest. A, F, E, D, rest. After we do that 3 times, the next time we do almost the same thing, but we play A, F, D, E. With fingers 1, 5, 3, 4. So the first 3 times it's A, F, E, D, and the 4th time it's A, F, D, E. So we have then after that, we're going to play A again. But this time, instead of going to the F, we're going to go to the G, 1 white note higher. So it's A, G, F, E. Fingers 1, 5, 4, 3. And we're going to do that 3 times as well. And then, similar to the first time, we're going to do A, G, E, F the 4th time. It's also played softly, and we have the same rests. So from the beginning. And we're going to finish this lesson with a few more notes that lead into the next measure. And those notes are D with the thumb, A with finger 3, the higher D with finger 5, and a B flat with finger 3. So D, A, D, B flat. Finger 1, 3, 5, 3. Okay, so from the beginning. Now let's go over the left hand. In the left hand, we're going to start with a D with finger 5. To find the D, look for 2 black notes in a row, and the D is the white note right between them. The D that we want is the 3rd one up from the bottom of the piano keyboard. Okay, so we're going to play that D with finger 5, and then we're going to go up to an A with finger 4. It may seem more natural to play the D with finger 5 and then the A with finger 2, but we're going to play the D with finger 5 and then the A with finger 4 because we're going to need a little room to get those higher notes in a second. So from that D, we're then going to go to the A with finger 4, the higher D with finger 2, and the F with finger 1. So D with finger 5, A with finger 4, D with finger 2, F with finger 1. Now also, we're going to hold down the A with finger 4 while we play the other 2 notes. So it's D, A, holding the A, D, F. So we have, and we're going to play that 3 times. From there, we're going to go to a low A here. Again, to find the A, look for the 3 black notes, and the A is the white note in between, most to the right. We're going to play that A with finger 5. From this lower A, we're going to jump up to an A an octave higher, but not with finger 1 like we would want to. We're going to do it with finger 3 so that we can get to a C sharp with finger 2 and an E with finger 1. So we have A, C sharp, E with fingers 5, 3, 2, 1. And just like with the last progression, we're going to hold down this second A, the higher A, as we play the C sharp and E. And we're going to do that 3 times as well. And then we're going to go back to the first progression. The D, A, D, F. Just once. And we're going to finish this left hand on a G with finger 5. Let's do the whole thing. All right, now let's put both hands together. This song starts with just the right hand, A, F, E, D. But now when we play the D with finger 3, that's when the left hand comes in with the D with finger 5. So let's do up to there. And from there, the right hand is going to hold while we play the A, and then release when we play the D. And then when we go to the F, the right hand is going to come back in with the A again. And then the right hand will repeat again. And then the left hand repeats again. And then the right hand again. Okay, so we have... And then the right hand switches to this part, F, D, E, and the left hand goes to that A when we go to the E in the right hand. So we have... And then the left hand is going to continue up to the A while we hold that E, release on the C sharp, and then on the E again, we're going to play that A again with finger 1 on the right hand. So we have... And then the right hand is going to play that G, F, E, and when we hit the E again, the left hand comes back in, and it's going to repeat that part just like we did with the first progression. All right, let's do it from the beginning, nice and slow. And now we do the A, E, F this time, coming back to the D in the left hand. And then after that D, we're going to once again do A, D, F from the beginning. And now when we play that F, the right hand is going to go to the D. So again from the beginning. Then from that D, the right hand is going to finish its part. D, A, D, B flat. And when we hit that B flat, the left hand will come in on that G. Okay, let's do the whole part. Let's add in some pedal. I'm basically going to press down the pedal every time I start a new progression in the left hand. And I'm going to try to press it down just about halfway so that the sound doesn't get too washed out. So let me play it through and I'll say pedal each time I press down the pedal. 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 Pedal, pedal, pedal. I'm going to play it through again, nice and slow, with the pedal, without saying the word pedal this time. And let's play it a little faster. And faster.